Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes at home without baking powder. You can still achieve wonderfully fluffy pancakes by understanding a few simple leavening techniques. We'll explore how to use common kitchen staples to create that perfect rise, ensuring your breakfast is both delicious and satisfying. Get ready to transform basic ingredients into a stack of golden perfection, even without traditional baking powder. The secret to fluffy pancakes without baking powder lies in creating your own leavening. One method involves combining baking soda with an acidic ingredient, such as 1 cup of buttermilk or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This reaction releases carbon dioxide, making your pancakes rise. Another excellent technique is to whip 2 large egg whites until they form stiff peaks, then carefully fold them into your batter, trapping air for a light, airy result. For the best results, combine your dry ingredients thoroughly before adding the wet ones. Mix until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and help prevent tough pancakes. Heat your griddle or skillet over medium heat, adding a small amount of butter or oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges appear set. Then flip and cook until golden brown on both sides. Once you've mastered the basic technique, feel free to get creative. Enhance your pancakes with additions like fresh blueberries, chocolate chips, or a dash of vanilla extract. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, a dollop of whipped cream, or sliced fresh fruit. These homemade pancakes are a versatile and delicious treat, perfect for any morning. Enjoy your fluffy, baking powder-free creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.